everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. You're wondering what I have in my hand. Yes, I have this cute little baby. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Foundation Stick. This is a new launch from Maybelline and I just got it couple of days before and I just used it, so I thought of sharing with you demo and review kind of video with you. So let's get started to the video. Now this is what the packaging looks like, and this is 550 rupees for 9 grams of product. If you just see that, 550 for foundation stick, it's an okay deal, but if you see the product what you get, it's only 9 grams. So this is how it opens. This has a plastic cap and it's quite plasticky, and it has a shade name written on the top and even at the base. There are only 5 shades available right now, and I have the shade 220 natural beige and it suited me pretty well. You just have to look for the perfect shade, otherwise this foundation will not look good on you. So this is how it opens up. You have to twist it and you have to twist down, and there is a dual core mechanism. Basically there are 2 layers of foundation. There is the inner layer and the outer layer. Inner layer, they say, is to keep the face shine free, so it works for that purpose, and we will quickly see how to apply it. I have a clip which I will be adding it here to show you how I have applied it and blended it. So just see that. Let's see how to apply this. So I'm taking this out and I will apply it throughout the face like this. You can see that the shade is pretty much matching to my skin. So I'm just dragging it wherever I want to apply. So it's quite creamy while applying. After that, I will take my foundation brush. This is from Body Shop, and I will just try to blend it. Pretty much matching to my skin, 220, and it's quite blendable. It's no need to work hard to blend this. Immediately it's melting down into the skin just with 1 stroke or 2 strokes. This is how it looks. So this is how you have to apply the foundation, and I just did my base properly, applied the lipstick, kajal and all. I have applied the shampoo compact powder on top of it because I have a oily skin. I tend to shine immediately. Even though it says shine free, my skin will not be shine free because I have very oily skin. So I applied a compact on it. It depends on you how you feel after applying this, whether you should apply a compact or not, but I applied it and it just gives me a fresh look after applying that. So talking about the good points about it, it is very light coverage. You will not feel that you have applied any foundation on your skin. Another thing is it gives you immediately a fresh look. So that's the best point about this foundation. The negative points is it is not at all buildable. It is not at all full coverage. It just shows up your scars and blemishes. You have to use concealer to hide them, otherwise it will not give you that full coverage look. I don't know why Maybelline has said it as the foundation stick instead of they should have said it as a BB cream, because the coverage, the kind of coverage it gives is same like the BB cream. So it just covers the 50% of your scars and all. So if you're looking for something very subtle, very lightweight and very light coverage, just to use it on daily basis to go out for office or college, then this is a good product for you. But just make sure that you are having a shade which exactly matches to you. Now talking about the shine free feature, what it actually advertises for is it just keeps for 1 hour or so shine free. After that you sweat or something, then you start looking shiny and greasy, and the staying power of this is for 3 to 4 hours. After that it starts to fading away, and it is a good foundation stick. I won't say this is a foundation stick, I would say this is a BB stick, because as I said, the coverage is pretty low, and but the only thing is it is very lightweight. You won't feel anything. It gives very nice fresh look. So that's all about this foundation stick, and if you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and keep connected with me, keep commenting on my videos, and see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.